So how's this for a Sunday? Full tank of fat, smiley faces on, not a single cloud in the sky, and Suncity Harley are doing a deal ride to a pub. Can't get much better than that. See you there. Alright, here we go guys, off to the Giru International pub. And we're off. We're going from the dealership. We turned down Ingham Road, going along, joining up with the ring road and heading out towards Charters Towers. Then we turn onto the Woodstock Giru Road, which is a nice scenic windy road, and it's one way all the way. Jump over the highway and straight down all the way down the end, and that's where the Giru International Hotel is. They're expecting us. We've got, I don't know what the final count was, but it'll be around 100 bikes by the looks of it. Yeah, they're expecting us, so that's when the ride finishes. So you're free to get on the piss, stay all afternoon, have lunch and bugger off, whatever you want to do, up to you. Alright, let's enjoy it. Alright guys, for those of you curious on the weather, not a single cloud in the sky. It's currently 28.1 degrees, and the top is 33. Beautiful. So before the ride started, I was having a bit of a wander around, having a yarn with a few of the boys, and man, I was really impressed with the amount of sports bikes that were there today. There was even a dude on a YZF 450 or WRF, whatever the road registerable one is, had the MOTO tyres on it and everything. That guy's keen. There was a Ducati, there was a BMW 1000, a couple of R1s, some real fast crotch rockets there, man. That was cool. Know whereabouts in the pack they are. But yeah, when we pull up, I'll do a video of what's around, so you'll be able to see them all. The dude in the sidecar, when he turned into the dealership, he put it up on two wheels, like sideways. That was pretty cool. Just because the ride day is held at a Harley dealership doesn't mean it's only Harleys, you know. would ya? You'd think if you were the bloke driving that ute, would you really try and cut in? Makes you scratch your head and wonder, eh? Reckon I've seen crocs bigger than that boat. Gonna have a nice fucking suntan by the time we get there. But if you're in the market to pick up some nice dead kangaroo, some roadkill for your crab pots or whatever, this would be my number one go-to road. There's fucking millions of them out here. I wouldn't ride this road at night, put it that way. You will get fucking fly kicked by a wallaby. And it's also one of the only places around here that has a speed limit of 110 instead of 100. So that's cool. You can open her up that little bit more legally. Anyway, enough talking. Back to the music. This is the Woodstock Giru Road. You get the nice mountains in the background. 32 k's of this till we hit the highway. Then we jump the highway and keep going till we hit the pub. Then it's beer time! Now I got a question for you. Is there an actual reason, like with group ride etiquette, why that dude would be riding in the other lane? Serious question, because I've thought about overtaking a few times to catch up to the pack, and this bloke just sits out there. I don't get that. Alright, well this is the highway crossing, and then it's straight down here to the pub. Definitely feel it's getting hot now, temperature wise. I think my arms are about medium rare, maybe medium. Alright, I can nearly taste that first beer. Actually, I probably won't even taste the first one, it'll just go gone. Alright guys, well welcome to downtown Giru. On your right you can see a filthy big pine tree, a few palm trees, a couple of houses, and that's about it. The bowls club is this way. And here we are. You beauty. I'll do a little ride by and then come back. Alright, we made it. Oh, well there you go, eh? Good steak sanger, couple of cold beers, good company, good guard dog eating a bone. Not a bad way to start the Arvo for a Sunday. So, hot tip for you. Exfil 80 moved forward 2 inches is the shit. Alright, let's get some fat beats pumping. Don't look at my passcode. Alright, Giru. Thanks for the miles. Ready to get out of here. The only downside to things like that is once I get a taste for cold beer, I'm pretty much fucking useless for the rest of the day. So, lucky I did all my chores and all the jobs and shit I had to do yesterday. I knew this would happen. I know what I'm like. I know me. Oh, look at the cows. $50Ks back to town. Alright, well, we're back on the highway, guys. We're heading home. Another awesome shop ride, guys. Thanks everyone from Suncity Harley. Thanks Nick for shouting the first round of beers too. It's not true what they say about you, mate. You go right. But alright guys, I'll leave it here. If you like that video, can I please get a thumbs up? If you didn't, feel free to give it that one. If I haven't got a headbutt out here already, whack that subscribe button. And rightio, I'll catch you later, eh? Have a good weekend, guys. See ya.